Good evening, everyone. I hope you guys are having a blessed evening. I want to welcome you to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. On this channel, you guys will get nothing more, nothing less than videos on how to make money online, okay? So if you're new to the channel, I'd like for you to hit that like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, in today's video, we're going to talk about a site called Survey Junkie. I'm going to go ahead and go over this site with you and just give you some tips on, how to take surveys and why this is a great site. Okay, so number one, Survey Junkie is trust me, you guys, I love Survey Junkie only because you might have heard about me talk about another site called Branded Surveys, which is a survey site also, where with branded surveys, when you first start, you're going to have where it says approved points. In the middle, it's going to say pending points, and then over there, it's going to say points to earn or until payout. So in the middle, when it says pending points, you have to, once you complete a survey, it goes into your pending status. And once they find out that you completed the survey, it gets approved and then it goes into your approved points. But with Survey Junkie, you do not have to worry about it. You get the points once if you complete the survey, the points go in your balance, and this little circle here fills up to the top, and you get, once you get up to 1,000 points, you cash out $10. Now, as you see, I've lifetime points on this site, 8,308 points. That's $80 I've cashed out. This is my 8th cash out on this site. 8th cash out, which means I've earned a total of $80 with the site because 8,000 points is $80. Okay, so just like 100, 1,000 points is $10, 2,000 points is $20, 30,000 points is $30, so on and so forth. So once you get to more points, I've made altogether $80 with this site, you guys. $80, okay? And this is a site that you can work this every single day. You can work this 5 days a week, 24/7, if you want to be technical. You can work this 24/7 and just do Survey Junkie. This will be uploaded by the end of the week for you if you really work it, okay? Now, just to give you guys a little note, you can do this on a computer at a library. You guys need to understand when taking surveys, you need to be completely honest. Do not sit there and skip surveys. Do not sit there and lie on the survey just so you can get the points. Because once you start doing surveys consistently, you're gonna go through them just like that. You're gonna whiz through them, and you're gonna be completing them and getting credited for them. Okay. So the reason why I do really well on this site is because I'm doing it consistently. Okay, there's times where I've let the web, I've let it sit for a while and not did it, and then I come back, all of a sudden I'm qualifying for I'm completing like 3 or 4 surveys. Okay, so just so you know, I would do every single survey. Don't skip any. I know there's some people out there saying you should do the higher paying surveys first. You're not guaranteed to qualify for those. Okay, once you complete your profile on here, they connect you to certain surveys that you can qualify for and complete. Okay, so as you see here, I've made up to 1,050 points. That means I can cash this out and it'll give me $10.50. Okay, so if you guys are interested in Survey Junkie, just go ahead and go to www.surveyjunkie.com or just type in surveyjunkie.com and you guys can register. Okay, so that's basically it. I mean, this is just $10, you guys. You can go higher if you want. But I know a lot of you are like 1,000 points. That's a lot. Not really. If you know how to take surveys and you know the demographics, and you know how they work, you will get $10 on a daily. You can get $10 on a daily basis with this, from what I hear. If you do the higher paying surveys, like right now, here's one for 125 points. You guys can, if you do the higher paying surveys, most likely, and you start getting credited for the higher paying surveys, most likely, those are the surveys you're gonna start qualifying for and completing. I do all the surveys on here. I don't skip any. Unless the survey is frozen or broken, I exit out of it and come back here, choose a different one to do. But I normally do all the surveys lower. I don't care how low or small the point amount is. I do all the surveys just because, and I'm honest on the surveys. I choose the same answer on almost every survey I do. only because they ask you. You're going to be sent the exact same surveys multiple, like a lot of times, you guys. So once you get used to taking surveys, you're going to realize that they're repeatable surveys, which means you've done them before, so you know how to answer the questions. Okay. They're going to ask you questions like, what's your gender? What's your first and last name? What's your date of birth? Um, what's your zip code? What's your address? What's your phone number? Make sure you know all that. They're just asking it so they can get you, qualified with certain surveys, okay? So don't be ashamed to answer those questions. Understand that they're not trying to steal your information. This is just to help them be able to send you the right surveys that are best fit for you. Now, like I said, you got to get up to 1,000 points to cash out. There is no way around that, and they cash out to PayPal. So there's no way around that. You have to get up to 1,000 points to cash out $10. If you guys are interested in learning about two opportunities that I'm a part of that can make you make even higher, a lot more money, like $100 to up to 1,000. I'm gonna leave. I have a website that you can go to check those opportunities out. Okay, I have a website I created, and I'm gonna leave the link below to that website if you guys are interested. And I mean, I'm talking. You will take time out to watch the presentation video, not the one I'm going to do, but the presentation video on that opportunity site, and watch the video. Take time out to watch it and actually pay attention to it. If you are that person, I'm going to leave the link to my website below. Click on my website, and I will make a video after this one showing you guys my website again, because I have a video on my channel about my website, but I have to go over it in detail so you guys know what to click, and because there's different things you have to click to get to different places, and I need to make sure I go over that on my website. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video, and I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys in my new website video. Remember to like this video, share it, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. And dollars make sense. Don't forget that.